This is Cheryl at the Estes Valley Library. I'm here today to talk to you about a resource that we have in our online catalog. It's called Read-alikes. And so say you have a book that you just finished and you really enjoyed it and you'd like to find something else similar, or maybe something by a different author that would be the same. All you need to do is search on your title of the book you just finished here at the library's homepage at estesvalleylibrary.org. And you're going to want to click on that title once it comes up. And over here on the left, you will see in the menu Read-alikes. If you click there, some really valuable information will come up. You've got similar titles, similar authors, if you'd like to check out either one of those. If you scroll down, there's also story elements that you can click on, or you can look at Goodreads for reviews of similar books and learn more about award winners in the same area. I'm going to go ahead and just click on one element and see what's brought up. I'll click on this first title to see if we have it in the collection. We don't always have everything that's listed. This one is in our collection as a print book, and it is available. So at this point, you can go ahead and place your hold. And right now we're doing to-go orders with the library. So you would place the hold, and then you would wait for your email from the library telling you that it's ready to be picked up. And the information on how to-go orders works is at our homepage. If you scroll down just a bit, you'll see this great graphic, and it says to take to-go orders. And if you click here, you'll get all the information you need about setting that up. And then you can continue to read from home. And we're so glad that we're able to do this for you, that we're available for you, and that our materials are available for you. So thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.